kami ng grocery store. Lalakad kami. Mga 20 minutes siya from our house. Finally, mabibili ko na yung red velvet na walang natupad-tupad kahapon sa mga gusto namin kainin.
The rest of the earth.
Grabe. Masarap kasi sa Mercadona and it's just 10 euros. Tapos, whole cake na siya. So, let's go. Punta kami sa Mr. Casa. Hindi mo kasi nasabi nito off-cam. Sabi ko, teka lang, mag-vlog tayo. Ano to? Parang bazaar. Eh, titignan si Tets. Uy, nagko-crochet na to. Bibili siya ng yarn, guys. Abangan niyo yung mga order namin sa kanya. Bibili siya ng yarn. Akin lang ba ng exactly the same one? Oh my god! Red velvet. This is so yummy. Gosh, I'm so happy. Yes, let's do it. Maybe guys, 4 euros lang to.
Embarrassing.
Wait lang. Inaano ko pa naman na mura lang. 4 euros lang yan. Okay. Siya, umalis na tayo, please.
The almonds she was always eating. What if she's diabetic? What was her glucose when she came in? 78, which is low.
Sorry, Runner's coming. She's coming today.
Run nga dyan. Isang run.
Oy, we're here.
Water break daw muna.
Galing sa
Dati, gusto ko lang i-share. Dati, sinamahan ko si Nina maglakad. Tapos, pagdating namin sa park, sabi ko, tapos maglalakad ba siya? Maglalakad talaga siya. Sabi ko, oh, so we're gonna walk. Tapos, akala ko kasi iupo lang sa ano. Akala ko it's just a metaphor.
Si Tetay kasi, metaphor. Si Tetay kasi, ang walking niya, pupunta siya sa park, maghahanap siya ng bench, magbibideo call siya sa kaibigan sa Pilipinas.
Yeah. Walk to the park.
Yes, ganun yung walk ni Ted. So, we're gonna start here, tapos ikot-ikot kami doon.
Ikot-ikot lang.
Vinnie Chris. Yeah.
Are you naughty or nice? Warm up na sa'yo.
Oo. We are pangilan na natin itong pangatlo na. Nag-ano kami. Still the same. 2 minutes, tapos 2 minutes run, 2 minutes walk, and then tataasan na namin mamaya. Really ran up the hill. It's not even a hill. Medyo upward lang siya. And now we need water. Ay, sira yung tubig. Shucks. Oo na kami. Oh no! What if sa lake? Oh my gosh. Oh na ako. We found one. Dito siya. Sa kabilang side. So nandun yung sira. Meron pa pala dito. Buti na lang lumigo tayo. May aso! Gog! Malapit na kami mag 5K.
4.5 na kami.
Mag 5K na yung lakad, takbo lang. It's a mix. Natry namin mag 4 minutes now na tuloy-tuloy. Tapos, we'll see.
Samgitsa lang ang ulam namin after.
Kanina sabi niya, I'm coming for you. At sakit na.
Sinabi mo pa dyan ah.
Hindi ko sinabi. Kaya baka sinabi mo pa sa secret na yun.
Paligo na kami guys.
Sani kanina.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Tapos,
Dami namin energy today ah.
Sani kanina, tapos ngayon, tingnan nyo. Wala na. Tinakpan na siya ng clouds.
Ano gagawin mo ngayon?
Dapat magko-color ako kasi magre-recover pa.
Busy pa siya.
Yan. Tapos na, nagko-crochet siya, oh. Pakita mo yung top mo.
Character ko eh. Teka. Si Bini Quiz.
Mag-hi dyan kay Teta.
Anyway. It's a top. It's a baby doll top. Like this.
Ang cute. Baby na ulit ng
Pantropiko. Myself, we are in public. It's just a game. It's just walang pera mananalo pala.
Sa bahay kasi, oh, ano? We're gonna play Sushi Go.
Pwede tapusin ko lang. Ikukunin ko lang sila.
Sige na, go. Ano pa naman kami. 9 pag 3 tao. Pero imi-mix. Wala. Very serious business. Katie.
Okay.
Kitten.
Are a loser.
Pinunit niya, natalo siya.
No. Hindi. I'm the winner. Tingnan mo, ako to. Si Tete 49 lang. Tapos dito, 0 siya. No! I got 54! Siya yung pinakatalo. Just so you know. No! Well, that's true. Kasi, pag na siya natatalo, hindi na siya nilanos yung score. Yung unang game namin, wala, nag-move on agad.
Nag-move on agad. Tinagot niya agad yung papel.
I am a sore loser. That's what I am.
Pumila kami sa CR na napakatagal.
Diagram.
Uwi na kami at 6:30 na, no? Parang.
Yeah, 6:30.
So, uwi na tayo kasi lumalamig na ngayon. Alam mo yung araw.
Sweater lang kami. Wala pa
Oo, paano-ano pa kami kanina.
Feeling
First t-shirt of the season.
Ang feeling
Nilamig.
Tilapia guys, tilapia.
Ay naman yan. Pang isang linggo na natin yan. Isang isda. So I just came from the OB. The results are, they're fine, stable, but it's not really like pleasant and all that. So dinala ko yung baunan ko kasi akala ko matatagalan ako sa doctor, so dapat diretso na ako sa school. Pero ang aga ko natapos, 11 pa lang. Alas 3 pa yung klase ko kasi yung pinaalam ko is the whole morning off, so I don't wanna go there. Anyway, uwi muna tayo at ikikwento ko na lang yung results because, oh my gosh. I have to wait. She called the other pharmacy for the vitamins because it's really high. Yung sa vitamin D. So I'm gonna wait for about 5 minutes lang. I'm home. So, umuwi ako after ng doctors kasi 3 p.m. pa yung klase ko. I need to work a little bit kasi since wala na akong lunchtime sa school this week. I mean today. Natawag dito. Mabilis lang pala yung doctor kasi usually matagal talaga siya. So, thankfully, mabilis siya. Sabi ko, okay, uwi tayo. I think na-mention ko na ito sa vlog before. Pero like once lang ata. Tsaka medyo matagal na yun. Meron akong fibroids. I think it's pronounced as fibroids. Sa uterus ko. So, usually nag-ultrasound ako every 6 months. And thankfully, hindi sila dumami. Originally, it was just 3 and then 5. At the moment, 5 pa rin sila. Pero lumaki sila ng 1 cm. Pero they're very small. So, right now, since I'm not planning on having children right now, or a child, sabi ng doctor ko, okay pa siya, and I'm young, and marami na daw, ano tawag dito, solution for that. So, okay, fine. At least hindi sila dumami, and yung laki nila, hindi naman super laki, and they're all exterior. Wala sila sa uterus mismo. So, regular yung period ko, all good, no pain, nothing like that. So, that's good. And then, today, nagkaroon ako ng ultrasound sa chest. Tapos sabi ko, bakit siya may menisure? Hindi ko maalala last time na may menisure sila. Kasi makikita mo yun, di ba? Parang pipicture nila, tapos may measure nila. So I was like, oh my God, may menisure siya sa breast. Tapos I was like, kinabahan na ako. So, nung nandun na ako sa consultation ng doctor, turns out, meron din akong fibroids sa chest. Like, tapos sabi ko, last time was it there? Tapos sabi niya, yeah, I told you. I do not recall her telling me that. Kasi that was news to me. Pero last time, nandun na daw pala. Pero 3 lang sila. 2 on one side and 1 on one side. And I was so concerned. Kasi hindi ko siya naiintindihan. I was like, she was like, oh, it's benign, it's stable, so we just need to monitor it every 6 months for 2 years. So sabi ko, is that ever gonna be like not benign? I can't even think of the other term. Tapos, I think na ano niya yung worry ko. She was like, oh, no, it's not gonna be a breast cancer, ganyan. Kasi different cells daw yun. So I was like, oh, okay, nakahinga na ako after that. Pero like, concerning, because we're not supposed to have that. So sinabi ko sa pinsan ko, tapos nurse kasi yun, so parati niya ako yung na-advise on what to do, ganyan. And this year, I really need to take care of myself physically. Like, about sa health, ganyan. Kasi that's not good. Tapos parang yung lifestyle ko pa and my diet, parang it doesn't help na may ganun na nga ako, tapos hindi ko pa inalagaan yung sarili ko. And then, on the way home, nagre-reflect ako. I was like, you know what? The past 3 years, hindi ko talaga inalagaan yung sarili ko in that sense. And looking back, dati super payat ko, like healthy weight for my height. Tapos bigla akong parang lumaki. Tapos looking back now, kasi I just realized na nung mga time na yun pala, I was living in a very, not naman a bad place, pero I was stressed every day. I was stressed. When I woke up, I was stressed going to bed. Ganon. So that time, I think, food was my comfort. Ganyan. Yung to ease whatever I was feeling, it was food. So I wasn't really mindful of what I was eating. So from sakto lang yung katawan ko, that is healthy, you know, and appropriate for my height, lumaki talaga ako. And looking back at my photos a year ago, 2 years ago, I didn't even realize I was that big. And just to make it very, very clear, I don't care about how I look. In a sense na parang we all come in different shapes and sizes. That's just to make it clear. No, it wasn't that. It wasn't how I was looking physically. Pero the past 2 years, I started feeling bad na parang no, I don't feel healthy. So, actually, mas last year ko lang siya ginawa. Parang hindi ko kasi siya iniintindi. But last year, nag-start na ako mag-eat healthier. And after going through the breakup, that was not last year. Oh my God, 2023, when I went through the breakup, I lost like 10 kilograms. And then, thankfully, naging coping mechanism ko yung moving. So, I went to the gym, kickboxing, walking a lot, and all that. Tapos, na-carry on ko na siya up until now. But this year, ang promise ko sa sarili ko, masalaga ko yung sarili ko in that sense. Like, to be healthier. Yun. Pero last year kasi, because of the breakup, I was really focused on taking care of myself mentally and emotionally. Yun talaga yung focus ko. And, you know, a little bit of physical din. Pero I was doing all of those because it was helping me mentally. Ganyan. Pero now, it's more of like, no, I need to be healthier for myself. God, it's a lot to take in. And just taking care of yourself as a woman every month is already very difficult. Like your hormones, your period, how to exercise, or in whatever stage you are in, it's very frustrating na as a woman. And so with this, it's just, I need to focus on that this year. Ang hirap maging babae. Also, this just makes me realize how privileged I am to have a healthcare like this. Kasi, my God, imagine this in the Philippines. It would cost you a lot of money. So, thank you, Lord. I've decided to go to the library, even if it's just like for a short time. I just need a change of scenery, you know. What was that? Para lang maiba. Tapos tingnan mo ngayon, no? Maaraw na siya. Nagpalit ako ng jacket. Feeling ko lalamigin ako sa gabi, pero titiisin ko na lang. Kasi sa mainitan ako. Kanina yung coat ko na napakahaba. Sobrang init. Magsi-spring na kasi, guys. Malapit na. So, malamig sa umaga. During the day, warmer. And then, whatever, we'll see. Hola. In March, aside from the essay that I was writing, that I'm still writing, we have a Spanish exam, like a level exam. So, I'm trying to focus on studying for it. Or spending more time, actually, reviewing for it. Because that's another thing, you guys. 6 years na kami dito, pero hindi pa rin kami super fluent in Spanish. It's like, I think people, or Pinoy Oxies, or here will relate to this na there's like a block in my head na, oh, I understand what you're saying. Pero the moment na I have to speak, it's like, parang hindi nagsiswitch immediately yung brain ko. So I'm like, I promised myself to. This year, I'm gonna study some more and actually practice it. Dito na tayo sa library. Let's go up. Nagla-library lang ako sa school, nung sa university, pag mag-aaral. Tapos ending, mag-chikahan kami ng friends ko. Pero ngayon, grabe, parang pag the moment na pumasok ka yung brain, yung noises sa brain, parang shut down. Sobrang tahimik. I love it. Let's go to work now. Finally going home. Tired. See you. Home, di ako nakapag-essay pero ang dami ko na-achieve sa work. And mag-ready na tayo for dinner. We're gonna go to a Galentine small dinner with jam. So mag-aayos na tayo ng onting-onti. Tapos alis din tayo pag dumating na si Jana from her class. Ihila ko guys. Oh, faster! Tapos na ang February guys. Dinner kami dun sa, kung saan kami dapat magdi-dinner ng Valentine's. Tapos,
talaga, dun ba yun?
Isa dun sa mga options natin bago mag-race. Kaso guys, nung Valentine's, di kami makapag-kompetensya sa mga
Couples.
Wow!
Sinayaan na namin.
Sige na, inyo na yung restaurant. Totoo. Super cute. Pumasok na kami. So, pwede tayo mag-share. Kasi yung plato. Yes, right. Sige, tingnan natin siya. Super cute. We're waiting for Tess. Nasa Japan ka, Besh. Sir. Cute ng restaurant nila. Very chill nung vibe. Siyempre, nag-ano na kami. Hati ba kami sa ano? Kasi lahat gusto namin tikman. So, paano? Kasi yun.
Saan kaya talaga rin yung takoyaki?
She probably wants... Hindi ako kumakain takoyaki.
No, pero...
Pag nag-gyoza kayo, sige.
Hindi, gano'n na sila.
Karaagi, okay lang. Pero may chicken-ish din kasi ito. Gyoza na. She's here in her umbrella. Nasa Japan ka, girl? Ay, itadakimasu. Ayun ba yun? Lalakad pa naman si Jam. Hello, Jam!
Hindi ako namimohan, white and black.
Ay, wala. Nakabla ka naman. Baliw. Kumain siya ng takoyaki.
Ano to?
Grabe ka naman.
Uy, masarap yung mga takoyaki sa tabi-tabi. Sa UST.
Ayoko yan, hindi ako kumakain. Di ano yan? Ano yung nasa loob?
Octopus.
Oo.
Tapos, sa UST hindi tinitipid yung mga flakes.
We're on the hunt for a dessert shop, dessert place. Puno kasi Friday night, ang daming tao. Everybody's outside. Ito, Lolina. So, pag wala dito, hanap tayo iba. Vintage Cafe. Kasi gusto nila ng something sweet. It's hot. Very good ka dyan sa iyong choice. Bakit? For the silip sila sa ano. Saan?
Nakatingin si ate. Huwag tayo pinag-gumili.
Ako susunod, taga-Hawaii.
Nakatingin si ate, sila ate.
Sasabay na ako dyan. Live 4 yan eh.
Luficiado, alam mo.
Luficiado?
Ayun o, 4. Tapos,
Bilbao? O, dyan na rin ako. Alam ko yan. May tutor ako.
Nakatingin si ate, tapos sabi ko, it's raining.
sabi mong gano'n.
Sabi ko,
Huy, may nakita akong estudyante kanina. Tinakbo niya ako. Tapos,
hindi lang mo ba sa'yo, Tits? Ito na.
Tapos sabi niya, actually may sinabi ginawa ng estudyante ko.
Sabi niya,
hindi na siya nakahello.
Sabi, sir, who are you with? Sabi niya,
nag-mimic na lang siya. Hindi niya
nagsalita, wala talagang sinabi. As in, walang sinabi.
Grabe.
Nagganon lang.
To the right, let's go. Bakit nababasa ka ba? Yun ba yung sinasabi mo? Hindi.
Nilalala ko siya.
Nakita ko sa TikTok, sabi ni Ago kay Bendita, Bendita, ginawa kita ng bracelet. Si Andy Hardenman. Tapos sobrang sungit ni Bendita. Oh, tulog ko, Bendita, papakilala kita sa kaibigan ko.
Nagganon kasi kami nung pandemic days. Kasi magiging blue ka.
Haha, si Agwa. Siya si Bendita.
May picture ka. Ito yung picture, charot.
Oo, tama.